Cakap lah hi.
Hello.
Okay, let's do this.
Hi everyone, I thought I'd show you a couple of digital fashion lineups that I did for my fashion school recently. I also will be showing you guys how I did my range planning work if you stick to the very end. There are 3 lineups in this video with 12 different designs. I used Adobe Photoshop 2020 and I also used Wacom Intuos as black, I believe. I started by sketching out on papers and scanned them in. Right now I used a selection tool to stop color from bleeding and fill them in with a brush tool. What I did in this part, I was applying the shadow and highlighter with the burnt tool and dodge tool to make it look more realistic and blend them all in with mixer brush tool. I know that you can't see my mouse hovering around the screen. I was new to this screen recording thing and I'll definitely figure things out in my next video. If you ask how I chose my color, I did a research about the whole thing for this module and got my color palette from my mood board. Was to get a fresh classical colors that completed each other.
missing someone. Love with all your heart.
My plan was to get a fresh appeal ladylike day to evening look that offers an elegant alternative to classical evolving designs.
How much you listen, and you listen, and you listen, and you listen, and you did it right from the start. From the start, missing someone is as normal. Missing someone and missing someone is as normal. Missing someone.
This is not my finalized lineup, so I didn't do the muses and the accessory along with it, but I have my fully rendered finalized lineup ready, so make sure you subscribe to get notified.
Missing someone.
So I hope you enjoyed the time lapse. So right now I have to draw. This is like a working on range planning. My lecturer gave us like a situation that might happen in the fashion industry when we go out. Let's do it. Okay, the situation is, in the fashion industry, I have to shoot some test shots. What piece that I will give to the photographer to do the test shots. Then I've been away and I came back, I look at the piece, they have put it on the wrong way. How would I imagine it to be on the body? Now I settle do my quick sketch and I will scan this and put it in the laptop. Okay, let's make it colorful.
You're up to date with what you need to be. You're up to date with where you need to be, but you need to get your final lineup now. Today, I would get that done today. So final lineup today.
Okay.
Decide which of those you're going to take forward and think about what other colours you'll put them in. Because they won't just come in these colours, you have other colours.
Yeah. Okay, we're finally at the end of the video and thank you so much for watching. If you like this type of video, let me know down below because I still have my digital fully rendered lineup to do, and that will be more detailed with patterns and a lot of stuff. It will be more interesting. If you haven't subscribed, what are you doing? Subscribe now. Okay, see you in the next video. Bye.